COVID-19, we have to take lot of precautions against to fight the COVID-19. So daily again and again wash your hands, sanitize yourself, use the don't go outside the home and drink warm water. Drink warm water in a day again and again. So it is good precaution against the COVID-19. Now today we are start English lesson number 1.5, that is Kabaddi. All of you know what is the Kabaddi, right? Many times you played in your school also. That time, what is the Kabaddi? There is a group of students in both the sides, right? There is a two teams. There is a in a one group students are there, in a other group also students, and there is a match between these two groups. Then about this Kabaddi, we are going to study in this lesson in a detail. Now see page number 12. What is given? The Kabaddi match. That means they are describing one Kabaddi match is there, and about that Kabaddi match in your textbook describe it. Then first, the school sports meet was scheduled next month. The practice matches had already begun. 9P were the favorites as they had strong players in their team. The Kabaddi trials were on this year. There were 3 new students in a class 9A. To everyone's surprise, they proved to be outstanding players. 9A both scored. See now in the next month, that means in this regarding or according to our textbook syllabus, there is a one lesson. According to that lesson, there is a given. In next month there is a matches started, and so that before that what they are doing, they are doing the trial, just like our school. Whenever there is a matches, first we take the trial, right? After that only we start our sports. Same there is also they are first doing the trial. In that what given, as the 9th B students are very good in the kabaddi. They are always scored and they always win the kabaddi. But what they are given now in this year, that means in this year, there is a 3 new students in the 9th standard A division. Okay. Always there is who won 9B, as there is a very good and strong player. But this year now there is now 3 players in the 9A. They are also very good in the kabaddi. And so that all 9A students now score their hopes. Now we have good players in the kabaddi, so we can also play and won. When the matches started, all the spectators clapped and boosted the morale of both the teams. Say, can you see there is a drawing given? How is the kabaddi ground? All of you know how is the kabaddi ground, right? As what we have to do, how we march that ground. As the kabaddi ground is there given, and students are also we can see. In that only, our lesson is given. As the now match is started, and other spectacles, that means who are seeing. See, schedule that means arranged to happen a particular time. Spectacle, a person who is watching an event. That means see there are two teams are playing, but what about others? The other people are watching. Like in your school, there is the students, teachers, they are watching. They are the spectacles. In your ground, other your friends are watching. In TV also we saw that matches. That means our spectacles. It is called the who is watching, that is called the spectacle. Spectators. Okay. Then the matches started and spectators are clapped and boosted. Why we are boosted? As to encourage that team members. Okay. We have to clap and boosted them to encourage the team members. Match started, and who won the toss? See, always whenever we have to start the match, first what we do? We toss, right? Then as this, the 9A won the toss and sent their rider. The rider, first rider name is Govind. They sent their rider He was so swift that before the opponents realized it, he had touched Suresh from ninth B and was already heading home. A point was scored. See, from the ninth A, as the ninth A is won the toss, then from the ninth A, their first rider Gopin is very opponent and is very swift. That means he is very good for the strong player for the kabaddi match. He go also and touch and out to the home Suresh from the ninth B. He out to Suresh from ninth B. Ravi from 9B was very strong player. He alone was sufficient to catch hold of any player. So tightly in between his legs, twisted like scissors, that realizing oneself from his grip was next to impossible. See from the ninth B. Now who is there? Ravi. And he is very strong and very sufficient to catch hold members of the team. Like he doing the scissors. See, there is a many tricks how we have to catch, we have to out the other person, and we have to use in each game there is a many tricks, and we have to, if we want to want, we have to strong player, we have to use the tricks. Okay, so the Ravi also tightly twisted like scissors. He twisted his legs like the scissor and realized releasing oneself from his grip was next to impossible. That is from realizing from his, it is impossible from the Ravi. All the players were literally afraid of him. This ace player had won many matches for 9th B. Ace means very good. See this player about whom we are talking about the Ravi. He is the very good player and he won the very matches for the 9th B. With the support of Mohan and Vinod, 9th B were unbeatable. That means from in the 9th B there is a Ravi, Mohan and Vinod. They are very strong player and they always, because of them, the team. See, team support is very necessary. Other players also are good, but they are very strong player and there is a unbeatable to the others. Mangesh from 9th A was also strong. He was a good match for Ravi. Ravi was sorry. Ravi was relaxed as he had never dreamt of any strong opposition from any team. When Mangesh was wrestled down by Ravi and his friends, everyone in the spectators thought that 9A would lose Mangesh. But Mangesh proved his mental. He was on the ground with the anti-rider catching hold of his waist and legs. See, from the ninth, as the Ravi is very strong, to beat the Ravi from the ninth A, Mangesh is same player. Mangesh is also very strong player to and he is very good player against to the Ravi. And Ravi never thought there is never he think that there is any opposition for the Ravi to beat him. But there is who is there? Mangesh. Mangesh is also good player and strong opposition for the Ravi. As Ravi and Mangesh was wrestled, as Mangesh is get down on the earth and other spectators down by Ravi and his friends, everyone. That means other thing that now this match or 9th A students, 9th A team will lose the Mangesh as the Mangesh now getting down. As all the spectators think and members of the team was thinking. Slowly he inched towards his goal. So, he was on the ground with anti-rider catching hold of his waist and legs. Slowly he inched towards his coat. All the anti-riders with all their might were trying their best to pull him back, but with great determination and without losing his breath, Mangesh successfully touched the midline. See, can you see in the picture also given? That means who is there down, that is the Mangesh, and other students are trying by their best, they are trying to take him back. But Mangesh without determination, that means he decided that I have to go there and touch that line. So without losing his breath, Mangesh touched that line, mid line. There were cheers in the air and so that means the other spectators who are looking, they all this thing now Mangesh will be out. But it not happen. Mangesh touched the that midline. He had not only saved himself but was also able to score 3 points for his team as Ravi, Mohan and Ajinkya, who were holding him, were also declared out. See who was the strong player? There is the Ravi, Mohan and he. That means Mangesh not only saved him, okay, he not getting out, but again he also got the 3 extra points by out the other students. But how they are out? As they hold to the Mangesh, and so that as the Mangesh touched the line, so that the other 3 students getting out. Who was that? That is the Ravi, Mohan and Ajinkya. They are declared as the out. Page number 14. Now 9B began to play continuously. Mihir, one of their riders, even managed to tag Soham in 9A. Nothing much happened in next few rides. Now it was Vivek's ride. He always played with strategies and they were fun. See, from the ninth B, next row is there, Mihir. Mihir also one of the good riders and he managed to tag to the Soham of the ninth A. And after that just a match is going on. That is not other thing is happen. Then next who is coming? Vivek. Now it is time of the Vivek's right. He always played with strategy. That means he also very good and strong player. He gave his best always. And the remaining 3 players from 9th track Vivek, he slowly moved back toward his court. The 3 anti-riders also moved with him. When they caught his arms, were trying to pull him back. Vivek slipped his leg during the midline with anti-rider still hanging on his arm. Oh, the whole of the 9B team was declared out. Now who's come there? Vivek from the 9A. He entered to the team in the 9B. And all other students there who are remaining, 3 are students remaining, they are holding his hands, his arm and trying to pull back. But what Vivek did? He also used his mind. What he did? He just touched that midline with his leg. So that again the Vivek is set and other the students of the 9B declared as out. 9A had actually managed to get 3 more bonus points of Lona. It was an icing on the cake. What an inviolable score. It stayed the heads of 9B thrilling. See, just as the 9A now won and again they got the 3. Lona means the extra points. See here given also Lona, that is the extra points. They got more 3 extra points. That means they are given an icing on the cake. The why it is? That means it is very already they are happy and by the 3 bonus points they are getting more happy. Right? As we are whatever if you got more than your acceptable, whatever you are whatever you are accepted, that is the icing on the cake. After the half-time break, the star players of 9A were full of confidence. Once again, they managed to catch hold of the Ice Riders Mohan, Ajinkya and Ravi. 9A outplayed 9B in all the areas of kabaddi. Their team spirit, their confidence, their strategies, their swiftness, suppleness helped them to beat 9B, who had never tasted defeat earlier. See, 9B is never defeated as a very strong player. There is a Ravi, Mohan and Ajinkya. And again there is a there is a after the break. Again match is started. Again 9A is decided to first catch or to out the Ravi, Mohan, Ajinkya as a very strong player. And 9A outplayed the 9B in all areas of kabaddi. That means in any way, in all the ways. The 9A played very well than the 9B. So the team which is the 9B never beat, never defeated. It is this team now, this year, this team is defeated by the 9A. From that, what we understood that is If you are doing play, you are doing some fitness strategy, your decision, work, it is very good and it is very supportive to win the match. Fact number 15. Kabaddi is an ancient sport. See now, first we are learn about the story. There is a one match is given how they are used how they are doing play the very well. And now we have to know information about the kabaddi. That is the kabaddi is an ancient sport. It originated in India and has now become popular in many countries. So that many international events are organized. In these events, international rules are followed, but several other kabaddi styles such as Sanjeevani, Gemini, Amar, etc. are followed in different parts of India. See, Kabaddi is a very ancient sport and where it is originated, the Kabaddi is originated from the India. But nowadays, it is well played in other countries also. So it is very famous game nowadays. In Kabaddi, two teams of 7 members each face each other in a flat rectangular court divided by midline. The game is usually played in two halves with half-time break in between. After the break, the teams exchange their sides in the court. See now, we already know about the Kabaddi. There we have to first, there is the outline of the match. How there is the first, this your ground, that part, that area is divided into two halves and that is by the midline, right? It is how the flat rectangular chord, that called the flat rectangular chord divided by the midline. And there is also break also there. After one break, you have to again play and exchange your side. To play the game, each team sends riders across the midline to the other team. The rider tries to tag the opponents and run back to his side, all in one breath. To show the hazard inherent again, he has to chant Kabaddi Kabaddi all the time. See what we have to do after the break. You have to change your team, your place, not team, your place. Okay, and whenever you are going for the playing for the match. Then the rider tries to tag the other player of the team. And again you have to come back and you have to continuously chant as the kabaddi kabaddi without taking a breath. Okay. In a one breath only you have to complete this chant like the kabaddi kabaddi. If he has to inhale again, he is out. And if you leave your breath, again you are inhale. If you are, that means you are also getting out. So before that you only have to run in your place. The opponents try to catch the rider and stop him going back to his half till he loses his breath and has to inhale again. If the rider manages to go back successfully, all the persons he has tagged and all those who have touched him are declared out. For each player declared out, the opposite team scores a point. If all the 7 players in a team are out, the opposite team gets bonus points or donut. Their team with maximum points win the match. For each out, that is when all the players are out, your team is got the bonus point, and that is called the donut. How many players are? 7 players. What we have to do? First one rider will go. He will catch the other, and after that he again have to go to his your own place. Okay, before leaving his bridge. But what other team will do? He catch that person and hold up to the time he inhale the bridge. So as that student getting the out. The game of kabaddi requires good health, muscular strength, strategic skills, a lot of practice, and above all, greater determination. Indian girls and boys have always excelled at kabaddi. Would you like to be as kabaddi players when you are little or older? Who knows if you make resolve now? One day you may have win glory of your school, district, or even state and the country. See, for the kabaddi game, what we require? That is good health, muscular strength. and strategic skills. That means you have to decide that I have to win in any way. So that is strategy you want, you require. And lot of practicing, not only just we have to decide and we are going. No, you have to do lot of practice also to win the game. See, this is all information we learn about the kabaddi, which is very good play in our India. It is very good sport and nowadays it is very famous for the other country also. So, keep, keep playing and maintain your health good.